how to see all of your payment methods in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can see all of your payment methods which are saved in your Roblox account or application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply tap onto the Roblox app icon and launch your Roblox application. So once you will do this, it will show you this following interface. Now from here, simply click onto this more option at the bottom right, and then you will need to scroll down and go to settings. Now under settings you can see this option that says payment method. So simply click onto this payment methods and it will show you this option, and from here it currently says you do not have any saved payment methods for my account. But in your case, if you have some payment method saved, especially your credit or debit card information, then it will be displayed here. So that's how easily you can see your saved payment method in Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.